What's good, you guys? Back with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be watching the Taylor Girls catching numbers with a flip phone. Public experiment. Alright. Hopefully this gonna be funny. It's good. Cause I haven't watched their channel in like a couple of years. But I found this on my recommended, so I'm gonna react to it. Alright, hopefully it's funny. Hopefully they really actually catch some numbers. Well, yeah. Let's get right into this video.
Period. Big breath shit. Don't play with me. Period. Do not fucking play with me. Oh, what's good? Oh, what's up? Can I just get a little love? Can I new mommy get a little love? Oh, you ain't the thought no more? I'm a mom, bitch. I got to raise my child. That's how you got the child. Bitch, I wasn't thoughting when I got my motherfucker. She's still a thought. She's still a thought. I'm a whole mother. What's up, y'all? I know y'all are so excited to see us. Y'all haven't seen us in decades.
Bitch, ain't seen you crazy.
They haven't seen us. Girl, they seen you in Drew. That's all you've been talking about.
Yeah, cause that's my best friend.
I get that.
You used to be my best friend, but then you started doing all that and
doing all of what?
You know what I'm saying? Doing all that and
doing all of what?
I can't find you. I be like, what? Yo, hey yo,
doing all of what?
Hey yo,
doing all of what?
What?
Doing all of what?
I already did it. I'm saying I already did it for the
I'm saying you trying to throw shots?
No, I just told them what you've been doing.
So you trying to say that I've been sucking dick for a year?
I ain't
just trying to say. So today, we're doing nothing. We just got on here to excite y'all, get y'all amped up thinking we're about to record a video. But thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Oh, bitch. We're going to give you guys one last...
She's coming back to YouTube.
And we are going to give you... Daisha about to retire too. She just haven't told y'all. But we're going to give y'all one more season of the Taylor Girls. We have so many new ideas, so much new content. It's just gonna be crazy. So you guys get
one
ready.
New season? I'm confused.
Cause
you said one new season, like after this season, it's gonna be a closed chapter. That's what you just said.
Yeah, I mean, we might not be doing YouTube no more. I mean,
I am.
Wherever the good Lord sees fit. That's what we'll be doing.
I'ma still fuck with y'all. I'ma still.
She might
even if I'm dropping the tea, like the scoop, like even if I'm scooping on Tyler Live, my little life, I'm putting it hiding the camera in the back, getting shit, and all this up.
Girl, this girl is a mother now. Her business is booming, just like mine. She just, I don't know. But, we'll see. So what we doing today?
So we want to start walking up to guys and asking them for their numbers with a flip phone.
Why'd you say it like that?
Where do you even buy a flip phone from?
Walmart.
Yeah.
They still sell
I
those?
I want to talk to us. They got a flip phone in there.
We could have just got some trappers.
But y'all know no trappers. I'm not finna be doing all that. Then they be done scoop me up and then I can't get back to my child and breastfeed. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you more scared about not being able to breastfeed than
yes, because these titties get rock hard.
Oh my god!
And they get the leaking all over the place. Better come on fire, get this having wet spots on my teeth. Girl, look at me move.
I'm thirsty.
So we're about to get into the video. We're about to go ahead and get to it. You know what I'm saying? Get something going. We'll be back once we get into the store and get the flip phone and all of that. Y'all want to see Top Boyfriend? Okay, come on. That's not a shot.
That is a shot.
Quit be saying hey to the...
Infallible Freshwear by L'Oreal Paris. Buildable coverage that looks fresh hour after hour.
I'm so glad I watched them today.
The camera? Alright, we out, deuces. Ugly ass gonna crybaby ass. Come on. Sensitive asshole, like.
You call me a hoe, you call me a bitch, you call me stank.
I ain't never said that.
Like, last time I checked, you the one that just had a doctor on.
What did that say, bro? What did that say, my nigga? Bro,
So you think a fucking boot man gonna come in here and you parking handicap for less than 20 minutes? Yeah.
I'm not
No.
Come on, put your man's shit
No.
down, bro. I don't know.
You don't know it. You don't know it. Wow. You don't know it. I think you bitch. It ain't a problem.
Damn, I want to water.
You trying to get out here to see me? Look at him. He like, oh, sorry, I didn't get it. He missing a leg.
I stand, but I want you to understand that I will be putting a lock on my shit. Okay, and you will not be able to come and get my shit. I will. No more. I will too. I need a mask. I'm scared. Me too. No, I need to get a fucking a damn bag. You're dirty. I haven't been in this Walmart in so long. Oh, he's stealing.
Yo.
He really did. He really did. Just, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to snitch. It just was an instinct. It was just an instinct.
Oh, you stealing?
I'm definitely asking. Let me get a cookie.
What?
You're embarrassing. I want this one.
Did that girl just snitch? Did she just snitch? When she was putting on lotion?
I'm definitely asking. Let me get a cookie.
This girl
What?
right here. Right here.
You're embarrassing.
See? Did she just snitch?
I want this one. That's the only slip phone y'all got.
Don't nobody talk on them no more, bro.
You are fine. Yes. Can I get your number? Alright, hold on. Where's my phone at?
Oh, he ain't never had that before. He don't know how to edit.
I don't know if you want her. When she get mad, she turn into a linebacker. Shut the fuck up.
So, 601, 668.
Hold on, 601, 668.
And 6345.
Is it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, I'm gonna text you. Period. Again, number for the
What was her name?
D.
Life Daisy.
Hazel. How you feel about being a stepfather?
Huh?
What? You don't know. You don't even know I just had a fucking baby. Sorry.
So good.
She had 10. No, I did not. Thank you, sir. Run. You was in there. When having a coke makes you smile? Oh, just stop.
She drunk.
Only in the game.
Yo, I We. Nah.
Thank you, sir. Run. You would think that. Want to have my coat make you smile?
I didn't understand what she said.
We in the game. We in
The other way, love, other way.
How do you do this? Oh. Y'all, we in the game. The iPhone. I ain't had one of these in so long. Period. Hello. No, you said we gonna say that to grandmas. He said, well, because I said, hey, Papa.
See, I'm gonna use your song, but it's gonna be reversed.
But I said, hey.
Infallible Freshwear by L'Oreal Paris. Buildable coverage that looks fresh hour after hour.
Nah, bro. She actually got
Yummy, yummy. There's a party in my tummy. Now there's a party in my tummy.
She get mad.
There we go, 4-4. 984.
What you doing out here?
Yeah, I just fucking put one out before I go.
Which one you want to talk to, her or me?
98407. Y'all young say you ready?
I'm about to text you.
Y'all ain't ready.
You're calling.
Y'all ain't ready.
You just gave you a fake. You ain't ready. You might pass out.
Pass out.
Yeah, you might need Viagra.
I don't need none of that. None of that. You know what I tell you? You've been with them too long. You got to use that. You just got to eat the right food. Hold on. I smoke ganja too, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all be alone with you? Y'all be up with you? Can I get your number? Oh, shit. Yeah, look at this shit.
Why he look like a...
Yeah, you know, girl, yes. I might be a good, fit use for him. Yes, my little business. Hating on me. She don't hate. She a cock-blocking asshole. She mad because her baby daddy left her, and I just found her. Call me a new baby daddy. Right there. I'ma call you. Big up. My message is gonna come up green, so you'll know it's me. Yo. Can I get your contact? Yeah. You looking good walking down the street.
Thank you. You look good too. What's your number? You got my phone.
I'm trying to get your number, but I'm gonna text you on my number.
The phone symbol.
5 what?
You never cover my phone number. You look good. I like it.
Appreciate it.
I like it.
Kim.
Here.
Tell me.
My name is
Zumba. Said Zumba. Are you giving your number to both of us or just her?
Huh?
You giving your number to both of us or just her?
She asked my number.
Every time I bring you, you want to fucking walk your ass down a fucking street, right?
I know she asked my number. I know.
Mine, keep going. Catch the fucking monitor. Shit, go get his fucking number.
2 hours later.
Get down. Get the cop blocking and shit. What you trying to say?
This since I was young. My auntie Autumn did it.
What is it?
It's the instance. It's something you can't even donate it to your neighbors and your homeless
What they
people.
smell like?
Long as you
Find
get,
one.
long as y'all good with y'all neighbors and homeless people, then you get blessings. Karma and blessings is real. Then karma real, blessing real.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You was alive, so we able to talk. Animals are not able to talk. So whatever we say out our mouth, it comes true for real. It just don't come true yet. You gotta bring it, like we gotta make it.
Manifestation.
Yeah, manifestation. That's what I'm saying. So every time you bring that, that's why them young niggas out there, they gonna kill y'all. They ain't gonna kill people that they never killed
They ain't
before.
gonna kill me.
You feel me?
I'm gonna kill them.
For sure.
I killed them.
So it's like whatever they
You
do.
wanna see my gun?
No, it's not in that. I'm just saying in general with you. But I'm telling you, so if you manifesting that,
You don't fuck me. This is good. I'm gonna do for you a soda. You don't know him. I ain't gonna start in your fucking house.
I ain't no game member.
This hoe is weird.
I'm Muslim. I'm just telling you real shit.
I don't know what
But
is
the
up
young
with
niggas
her.
going
I
on
feel
street,
weird.
they
What are you?
He's just gonna Hollywood.
This bitch threw the bed and said, I'm trying to knock your head off. You still here talking to this man, he's talking about fucking death. And you want to get talking, and then you want to touch me. Bitch, don't fucking give me that shit out of my fucking car. Get that shit out of my fucking car. Get that shit out of my motherfucking car. Jason. I paid for that. I don't give a damn. You don't be taking shit from niggas you don't know. He talking about death and fucking money. I paid for that. Alright, go buy me some more incense. Go buy me some incense. Go buy me some more incense. Get his number, bro. How about I get his number? Bro, I don't want this nigga number. Right here, how about I get his number? Oh, shit. Oh, hell nah. Ponytail. Hey, Ponytail. Let me, come on. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Put my mask on. Shit. Your hair low as fuck. I want my son hair to be like that.
We gotta have kids so I can get my
No, this bitch got 3 kids. Shut the fuck up, bitch. She always trying to tell my business. You wanna be a fucking stepdad?
I'm wearing this pink stripy back bra.
Do you want to see? Ooh, I love.
Is it so cute?
It looks real cute.
They driving a nice ass car.
Do you think any of us will look back in our lives and regret the things we didn't buy? Or the places we didn't go?
That's crazy.
Yeah, she be jealous. You want to fuck with a trap man? I'm an investor.
What you investing in?
You fucking selling pussy. That's investing in selling pussy. Selling pussy. Alright, I'm gonna text you. It's gonna come up green. I told you investing in selling pussy. Hello? Yeah, I got that nigga. Bitch, that shit is off.
Right.
Ask him, be like, you want to do some strange things for a couple change? Damn. You play too much, bro. You play too much. Bro, there go that girl. Be like, you want to eat some pussy tonight? Desha, no, bro. You going too far, bro. You going too far. You going too far. You going too far, bro. Bro, that bitch came up. Like, what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? That shit was funny. Oh, she was probably telling you to open, bro. She was telling you to open her Coke and pour it in her cup. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know what the fuck she was saying either. Shit, ain't my fucking job. I'm fucking got to fucking be a whisperer and shit. I don't know nothing about all that. I'm gonna go to Zaxby's and get me some mushrooms. Bitch, I ain't doing all that. Bitch, I ain't got time. I don't got no car. And I'm gonna stop. You want me to drop it with your nigga? Huh? You want me to drop it with a ponytail? No, I want you to drop me back off my. Oh, it's not far. It's only for 15 minutes for me. Okay, put the shit in. I'm gonna drop you off with your nigga ponytail. I don't want to be with him. Alright, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, comment some more videos. Y'all want your bitches. Today really felt good. Like, no lie, like. You needed that. I needed that. I needed that. You needed that. Ooh, what? That's him. That's daddy. Ooh. Who's this shit? Oh, they're gonna rob your dumb ass. They're gonna steal that little Balenciaga purse. Like, you want it? You want this? Girl, it's Balenci. 3,000. Who are you talking to? Girl, the air. Make sure y'all like us and tell them we didn't need this little laugh because I feel like we both just been stressed out, working. I've been happy. I've been my day. Like making sure we got our new songs releasing coming. New song release. Say one of the lines of the song. I'm that bitch. I'm that. No, say the other one. Oh, the other one? Yeah. Say like, give me like one line. You the type of bitch that's supposed to delete. You the type of bitch that's fucking for free. You the type to pop up at the crib, say you gon' chill and stay for a week. Oh, hold on. You're the type Random is not even hilarious.
I'm just saying
We ain't even gonna tell y'all the lyrics for real. Or maybe we did, or maybe we didn't. I don't know.
Yes.
Just wait and see.
I'm gonna be dropping you off at your nigga house.
Dropping soon.
I'm getting something to drink up. It's just 30 seconds. I gotta go rest pump for my daughter.
We should really get us to somebody. They might be having.
If y'all like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, join the gang, yo. They didn't even do too many people. It's kind of sad, but it'd be alright. But hit that subscribe button. Hopefully y'all watch this whole video with me. It was kind of funny, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm putting my Instagram in the description down below. You guys can go follow me there. Send me some more videos to react to, and I got y'all. I'll also put my Snapchat in the description down below. You guys can go add me there if y'all want to. If y'all don't, I ain't doing no tripping. Alright, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Peace.